Hi, Hal. Welcome to Dishtaka channel. So, any WordPress website, how we can activate Google Search Console option? So, what is the purpose of Google Search Console? Indexing mainly we can using for and fetching purpose using the Google Search Console. So, without plugin with plugin, how we can activate the Google Search Console? So, I'll tell you the two steps. First step will be here. We can log in for Search Console option. In the WordPress website, I'm explaining about the Indian Phoenician New York.com. It's a psychic reader from the New York, nothing but New York states. So in this website, how we can activate Google Search Console? One thing is called, we can install the plugin name is called All-in-One SEO plugin. Second thing is called, we can appearance, we can call is editor here. Editor nothing but, first of all, select here, add the property. So copy the URL. You can always selecting for URL prefix here. Click this and click for continue. When click for continue option is generating one code here. Suppose this download file, we can verify with the cPanel option. This code, we can copy the code here. First option, without any plugin, editor. There's an option name is called editor. If anybody not visible by editor option, that is only for your WordPress update. In this, go to header.php. In this head file, paste it, update here. Second thing is called here, this ID is there now. Same ID you can copy here. Go to All-in-One SEO plugin. In this general setting, we have to scroll down here. Just scroll down. They call here Google Search Console. First, let me check it here. Now click for verify. The verification will be done with the theme editor option. Is done. So no need to use any plugins here. If you want to add the plugin also, you can directly adding for plugin will be here. Add the plugin and click for simply update. We have two options are there, with the plugin and without plugin. So how will we activate this one? So where it is Indian Vision Reader, check with I, setting, the ownership here, HTML tag. So remaining all will be there. Google Analytics option and Google Tag Manager, everything is there. Google Tag nothing but we can one by one each code will be not installed. Just we can add the Google Tag code. Automatically will be activated from the Google Webmaster and Analytics option. So individual code purpose, only one code we can add by the Google Tag Manager. So this is a method we can activate Google Search Console with and without plugin. Without plugin is called appearance editor header.php file. With a plugin, All-in-One SEO, Webmaster plugin, anything we can use. So anyone interview asks question, without plugin, can you activate Google Search Console option? It will be activate Google Search Console option on WordPress website. There's no plugin required to activate Google Search Console option. If any more about the WordPress related questions, you can ask me to my channel. I definitely will be support. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.